It's the weekend, guys. Hi, I am the AfroGirl, and welcome to MX Breakz, where I give you all the updates in the world of entertainment and lifestyle in Ghana and across the world. Let's start off with our very first story. Now, Kim Promise's hit track Terminator is the biggest song on the streaming platform Boomplay. Terminator has topped Boomplay's top 100 most played songs 2 weeks in a row in Africa. Congratulations to King Promise. This song is a huge deal, actually. It's been a huge deal, and to think that it was just brought in May, that's big. But moving on to Shatta Wale, he has shared what led to the breakdown of the bond between himself and Sarkodie in the music industry. He shared it has everything to do with the Glow Mega Concert deal that happened on the 25th of October 2018. Speaking on a Twitter space with Sewame here, Shatta narrated that they both agreed to ask for $150,000 for the Glow deal, but Sarkodie ended up accepting 120,000 Ghana cedis. Shatta was upset that Sarkodie didn't also support his idea to boycott the show when they were offered less money. Instead, Sark ended up performing at the show and took their 120,000 Ghana cedis. Now, this incident made Shatta unhappy, and he expressed his frustration on Twitter, which ultimately led to the end of their friendship. And now, finally, we understand what happened and why Shatta is always on Sarkodie's neck. But again, moving on to, Kumase Akumewood actor Lil Wayne has declared his intention to contest the Ifija Kwabre South seat in the Ashanti region as an independent candidate in the 2024 general elections. He shared that he is making the move following numerous calls from traditional leaders and constituents who have been expressing confidence in his abilities to represent the constituency, which presently has the New Patriotic Party's William Oreku Edu as Member of Parliament. He disclosed that his mother and other close relatives have already been contacted to convince him, and he has wholeheartedly accepted the request, even though he was initially not interested. And I think he's doing a whole lot for his community, even from his own pocket. So I'm guessing people want to put him in a place of power so that he can be part of, policy making and all of that, and actually represent their constituency. And hopefully people actually go out and vote for him. But going to Nigeria, Burna Boy has asserted that Afrobeats genre lacks lyrical substance, stressing that it's just a great time. According to him, the genre is literally nothing, and he stated this in a recent interview with Apple Music's Zane Lowe in New York. And we have the video excerpt, so let's see it.
Experience, because half of them, if 90% of them have almost no real life experiences that they can understand, which is why you hear most of Nigerian music, or I'll say African music, I don't even know what to say, Afro beats, as people call it. It's mostly about nothing, literally nothing. There's no substance to it. Like nobody's talking about anything. It's just a great time. It's an amazing time. You know what I mean? But at the end of the day, life is not an amazing time. Do you know what I mean? No matter how nice you want of a time you're having now, or you had at some point, or you plan to have, you're still going to face life.
And if I'm lying.
Exactly. So it's like, for me, I feel like music should be that. Music should be.
And guys, it's important to note that Burna Boy has shared that he doesn't do Afrobeats. He does Afrofusion. And he shared in another interview that he doesn't really even know what the Afrobeats that we say we have Afrobeats. He doesn't really know what it is. But what he knows is Afrobeat without the S. That's what Fela Kuti was doing. But let us know what you think on our social media platforms. But that's about it for MX Breakz with me, the AfroGirl. Don't forget to give us a follow for everything entertainment and lifestyle at MX24GH. I'm out.